little introduction to my paint shop. That's a can of dirty petrol. That's what we use as gum wash. I don't actually put it through the gum, but I wash everything else with it. And poor old mixing cups. I can't use that one anymore for 4-to-1. Look, I've worn all the graduation marks off the side. So I'll have to use this one. They don't do mixing cups here in Thailand, they just splash in a bit. Anyway, I was just about to bite the bullet and fire all the colour in there. But Minitron has thrown me a curveball and she's come up with dinner early. So look at the size of that lot. What we got? Pad prick moo no mai. Oh. Well, I can't go painting anything now, can I? I'll have to put that on my neck first. Right then. And kapow! That's me full of bamboo. I think I'll have some more of that later. So, back on with the show! Right then, I'll just get me Muzak back on. And today, we're mostly banging it to Gorgon City at the Yacht Club, or the Yacht Week 2019. It's very lovely, doesn't it, eh? Right, let's get these bad boys back on. Oh, that's better. And then gun some muck on this. Woo woo!